Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to subscribe on YouTube Kids. So if you're confused as to how to subscribe, then this video is for you. Just open the YouTube Kids and wait for it to load. And now once you're here, just select a Lori Berkner Halloween special. And once you're in the video, right at the top right corner you would see the option subscribe. So it is in the red font. So if you tap there, it says that you have been subscribed. Let's right down over here. So it's at the same place. It's right at the top. Tap on subscribe and there you go. That's how.
Yay! Excellent!
So it's really easy. So I hope this was helpful for you. That's how you subscribe on YouTube Kids. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.